Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hamad Javed and my colleagues Zaryab Rehman and Khurram Abbas.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Khurram Abbas. So here we have V1 signed to 40 volt 50 Hz source, which we have passed through a transformer to step down it, and then we have rectified it by using a diode. After that we have used a capacitor to smooth in, and then we have given this voltage to an Arduino. We have used same step below. If we have made hardware of it, then we would have used voltage transformer and current transformer to mirror the values. We are getting two voltages, PTS1 and CTS1. This is small circuit breaker circuit. This is relay, diode and capacitor are in parallel with it. When we will give input, the relay will be on. Relay is used to on or off the circuit. When we will give input, the current will pass through base and then to the collector. This current that passes through collector, it will automatically pass through relay. As diode will block the current to pass through it, the capacitor will also be charged. The current will pass through this line and it will turn on the transistor. When the switch is on, the current will also take path of diode. This is our main circuit. We have made few changes. We have changed the main voltage. This voltage will pass and come to the relay. We have used 2-pin relay here. Then the current will pass through switch. When the switch is on, we will give power to the legal consumer. This current then passes through relay and then further load is connected. One wire of relay is connected to ground. We are using CTS1 and CTS2 to measure the currents. We are giving same voltage of 220 volt to PTM and CTM. So the overall voltage is same but the current is different.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Zaryab Rehman. After getting the values, we have named the values of voltage by PTS1 and CTS1 rather than connecting them with the wires to the Arduino. Here on the right side on our Arduino, the first two pins are used for our voltages which we have calculated, and the last two pins, which are named as SDA and SCL, are used to send the values to our main controller. On the left side we have another 5 pins which are used to work to display the results on the LCD. So displayed on the LCD, we have to give the power to the LCD, and here we have 5 volt power which we will give to our LCD. RS is connected at the third terminal of the Arduino, including grounding, and other 4 pins are basically to connect the LCD to the Arduino. This is how we are going to control it. When we will switch on, then the voltage will be appear here at the LCD. So at the next step, we have done the SCL and HCL work that was required for this. The two wires or lines are called serial clock, SCL, and serial data, SDA. The SCL line is the clock signal which synchronizes the data transfer between the devices on the I2C bus, and it's generated by the master device. The other line is the SDA line which carries the data.
Today I am here to explaining you about breakers and surge system. So coming on point, after measuring the values from the two secondary control units by one main control unit, we can easily determine that what type of electricity we are using or what are their values or variables, and if there is some issues, then what will happen next. Now the thing is, when an illegal customer comes in our system, then automatically breakers will be turned off by the message from main control unit. And when our breaker can be turned off at that specific time, our surge system can turn on. Surge systems means that all legal consumers electricity has been cut off, and during that specific time a huge amount of current or surge has been allowed to go to an illegal consumer after every 5 seconds, so that their appliances or everything has been demolished. And this process will go in the background until and unless that illegal consumer can gone. Now once illegal consumer can gone, the breaker automatically turns them off, and everything goes back in a normal mode. This is for our safety, and this is for our legal consumer safeties, that they are using electricity on a legal ways. But as far as illegal consumer has been concerned, they have to pay such things in order in the shape of huge current.
That's all for our demonstration of FYP. Thank you very much.